Wag Chicago. Here comes another round. See how the water did recede a little bit. I still got flooding below that big 1.5 tall step. We got heavy lightning rolling in again. Oh yeah. This is May 14th, I think. Day after Mother's Day, Monday, about 9, roughly, p.m. Oh, that was a sharp one. I'll be quiet. Now remember, if you look at my other videos from yesterday, we had a lot of sulfur in the air, and who knows what else they were mixing. So that's why I'm trying not to really breathe this shit. I should put my mask on, but I don't know if it can stop those chemicals anyways. Look at this rain. I want to know what all these weird things flying around are too. Who knows? I always see stuff going like different directions. It almost looks like bugs. Who knows? You know what else is weird? Has anybody else had this? The last couple days, my dogs were acting really goofy that night. We had that pulse around 7 p.m. I think it was 7 p.m. That went from East Coast all the way to West Coast in what, 18 minutes, according to Mr. BB's website. He's the one who caught it on the seismograph charting. But anyways, my dogs were acting really like they were hyper, almost like they were overstimulated. And that night, we had a ton of spiders come in the house. Or come from somewhere. I don't know where the hell they came from. But it wasn't that cold out. It wasn't like it got freezing out and they were trying to come in to be warm. Did anybody this week, at the end of last week or over the weekend, notice with this frequency stuff, insects acting weird? Especially insect, arachnids even, whatever. I didn't kill them. I tried to get most of them in a vacuum gently and then get them outside. But why were all these spiders trying to like flee into the house? I don't know. Just something to throw out there. I should have taped it now that I think about it. Alright, I'll keep you updated. Any hail, warnings, anything that gets me nervous, you'll be the first to know. I used to love chasing this stuff. There's way too much to go out there. Oop, I missed the lightning. I better go look at that basement again. This is not looking good. That is a lot of water, dude. Oh, where's the main lightning hitting? Let's see. I can feel that hit my leg. Wow. Alright, I'll update this. I don't want these too long. And then any severe weather, I'll update again. Way Chicago. I don't know if I'm 1042 yet because it looks like there's going to be some more wicked weather.